Hi everyone, in this quick video I will show you step by step how to deposit money from Binance to your JustMarkets account in 2025. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first log into your JustMarket account. We already did it, and as you can see we are already landed in our dashboard. So you just need to go to the deposit in your dashboard and choose crypto deposit. So here I will just go to the funding, and then here you will get to see the deposit option. So from that place I will choose the Bitcoin or any of them like the crypto deposit. Then select the cryptocurrency you want to use like USDT or BTC. So I will go with this one. So then you just need to copy your wallet address. Like JustMarkets will generate a unique deposit wallet address for you. Make sure you pick the correct network, for example USDT ERC20 or USDT ERC20, and copy the wallet address carefully. And then you just need to open and log into your Binance wallet, and then go to wallet by funding and the withdrawal. Choose the same crypto, for example USDT, and paste the JustMarket wallet address you copied. Select the same network you picked on JustMarkets. This is really important to avoid losing funds. Enter the amount you want to send, preview the fees, and then confirm the withdrawal. And crypto deposit usually take a few minutes depending on the network. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the money will appear in your JustMarkets account balance, and that's it. That's how you deposit money from Binance to JustMarkets in 2025. If this video helped you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.